Welcome everyone. We are here to have some fun. Smiles are bright, lights are glowing, all around the excitement growing with songs and dance and laughter too. We have it a show just for you. So sit back now and enjoy the day as we celebrate in our own way. The year 2024 has been a year full of opportunities and great learning. It was indeed a wonderful experience to remember. On this platform, we are going to showcase our learning talents and potential. Dear parents, here we are in front of you with celebration of childhood. Jashn-e-Bachpan is a celebration of childhood where we showcase our talents and potential. This has been our journey of learning and holistic development over the year. Before we proceed, my friend is here to brief us about our school song.
We carry the sense of our values, traditions and rich heritage. Takshila Gan is a tribute to our glorious past and a reflection of our vibrant present. Now our school choir will present the Takshila Gan.
India is known for its rich culture and legacy. Classical dances are integral parts of Indian culture. It is the expression of happiness and joy. It is time now to hold your breath as my friends are going to present before you Shiv Stuti, classical dance form which will certainly sway your hearts away.
अविगत अनादि स्वन अमर नृत्य गति ताल चिरंतन अंग भंगी होम कृत झंकृत कर थिरक थिरक हे विश्वंभर नाचो हे नाचो नटवर नाचो हे नाचो नटवर नाचो अग्निखंड भर स्वर में फूक फूक ज्वाला अंबर में अनिल कोश द्रुम दल जल थल में अभय विश्व के
डमरू बजानी जकर में डिम डमरू बजानी जकर में नाचो नयन प्रीतिय तरे रे नाचो नयन प्रीतिय तरे रे और छोर तक श्रेष्ठ भस्म हो और छोर तक श्रेष्ठ भस्म हो अचिर पुंज अंबर को घेरे अचिर पुंज अंबर को घेरे रच दो फिर से विधाता रच दो फिर से विधाता तुम शिव सत्य और सुंदर तुम शिव सत्य और सुंदर नाचो रे नाचो नटवर 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 नाचो रे नाचो नटवर
Wow! This was an amazing performance. Now I, along with my friends, will be giving you a glimpse of all the interesting activities we did this year. The journey of this class was a beautiful one. Our teachers were there with us on every step and helped us to achieve all the milestones in time. They made all our learning experiences interesting.
Music, dance, arts team, ICT HPE periods keep us on our toes the entire day, practicing for assemblies, class presentation, and Get Set Go was so exciting and full of moments to be cherished. Public speaking classes enhanced our confidence and developed our oratory skills and helped us gain confidence and improve our communication skills. Thursday activities were of great help in building our confidence to explore our surroundings. Read program activities and art activities gave wings to our imagination. Kitchen garden activities created love for nature. Bal Sangam was the real fascination, where we excitedly played games and loved sharing delicious food with our friends. We are looking forward to all these fun-filled activities next year also. So, this was all about the annual report. Moving on with the show, it is a concoction of 4 stories which my friend will brief you about. Today's play is a beautiful combination of the 4 stories from our Read program books. The first story is A Home of Our Own, which is about the Mama, What is the Night? Which is about the mysterious side of the night and unique creatures which live in their own world and come out during night. Hakeeman Tagafil, who is an experienced person, and his unique ways of treating his patients were hilarious and added humor to the story. The next story is A Home of Our Own, which is about the collection of material by children to make their house a cozy place to stay. It adds pleasing elements to the story. The story The Theatre of Ghosts revolves around Gudiya and her friends who visit a traditional drama. The story delves into cultural heritage and the importance of community and tradition. Now, without further delay, we would like to present before you the beautiful culmination of these stories. Lights, camera, and action! मैंने बहुत इंतजार किया, फिर मैं तुम्हारे घर आ गई। मैं आज एक छोटी लड़की की कहानी पढ़ रही थी जो जानना चाहती है कि रात क्या है। पढ़ते पढ़ते मैं तो भूल ही गई कि हमको जाना भी है। अच्छा, फिर क्या हुआ? सब कुछ यही सुनोगी क्या? आओ चलते चलते बताती हूँ आगे क्या हुआ। से आए, क्या है रात हमें बताए। सुंदर फूल सफेद और प्यारे रात में खिलते हैं हम सारे, अपने गमलों में रहते हैं, सबको नहीं हम दिखते हैं। प्यारे बिल्ले म्याऊं म्याऊं, क्या है रात हमें बताओ। म्याऊं म्याऊं, जब भी घूमने निकलता हूँ, इधर उधर गुर्राता हूँ, दिन में प्यारा लगता हूँ, रात में सबको डराता हूँ। जगमग जुगनू चमके जुगनू, क्या है रात बताओ जुगनू। रात में हम निकलते हैं, दोस्तों संग मिलते हैं, हम सब चमके हम सब दमके, रात में मिलकर नाचे मटके। दिन में हम सोते हैं, रात हमें भाती है, इसीलिए सब कहते हैं रात के हम साथी है, रात के हम साथी है। आखिर मंजू को पता चल ही गया रात क्या है। हाँ, लेकिन तुमने बताया नहीं कि हम इतनी रात में जा कहाँ रहे हैं। उधर पहुंचकर तुम्हें खुद ही पता चल जाएगा। अरे देखो, कोई आ रहा है। हाँ, उसका चेहरा तो बहुत बड़ा है। कोई भूत तो नहीं? हाँ, ये तो भूत ही है। भागो, भागो। कोई सचमुच का भूत आ गया। मुझे पता था तुम दोनों यहाँ से गुजरोगी, तो मैं मुखौटा पहनकर छिप गया। ठीक है, अब हो गया ना। अब चलो चलते हैं, कहीं देर ना हो जाए। तुम दोनों को कीमन टागाफील की कहानी पता है? अंटागाफील? कौन अंटागाफील? वही जो जाने माने हकीम है। चलो चलते चलते उनकी कहानी सुनते हैं, नहीं तो देर हो जाएगी। ठीक है, चलो चले। एक थे हकीम अंटागाफील। आइए सुनिए
हकीम की कहानी मेरी जुबानी, कुछ खोए खोए रहते हैं अच्छे हकीम हैं, बस एक घोड़े हैं वही उनके मुनीम हैं। सब याद रहे घोड़े को बादाम खिलाते हैं, घोड़े पे चढ़ के सारा गांव घुमाते हैं, घोड़े पे चढ़ के सारा गांव घुमाते हैं। ये ले मेरे घोड़े बादाम खा, मुझे चने पसंद है, बादाम क्यों खिलाते हो? बादाम से तेरी याददाश्त मजबूत होगी और तुझे सब मरीजों के पते याद रहेंगे। अब सुन, आज हमें कहाँ कहाँ जाना है? आप सुनाइए, मैं बादाम खाते खाते सुन लूंगा। चंदू के घुटने में चोट आई है, उसके घर जाना है। समझ गया, उसका मकान कस्बे के पूरब में है। गीता का बच्चा रोता रहता है, उसके पास जाना है। उसका मकान कस्बे के पश्चिम में है। बिंदु को रात से बुखार है, उसके पास भी जाना है। उसका घर कस्बे के उत्तर में है। देखा, इसलिए तुम्हें बादाम खिलाता हूँ। तुम्हारी याददाश्त कितनी अच्छी हो गई है। अच्छा अब चलो, नहीं तो देर हो जाएगी। जी उस्ताद। माँ, बहुत दर्द हो रही है। रो मत बेटा, अभी हकीम साहब आते ही होंगे। चंदू, ओ चंदू, हो भाई। अच्छा, यहाँ हो तुम। चलो चलो, आंखें पूरी खोलो। लेकिन हकीम साहब। खोलो मत, सर के ऊपर देखो। लेकिन चोट मेरी आंखों में। आंखें बंद मत करो, खोल कर रखो। लेकिन हकीम साहब, चोट इसकी आंखों में। अरे वो चोट ठीक करने की दवाई तो है। चलो चलो, तुम आंखें पूरी खोलो। नहीं नहीं हकीम साहब, नहीं। हाँ, हो गया, अब तो बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाओगे चंदू। अच्छा, अब मैं चलता हूँ, मुझे और भी बहुत जगह जाना है। चल मेरे घोड़े। लेकिन हकीम साहब, चोट इसकी आंखों में नहीं, इसके घुटने पर लगी है। मैं यही तो कहना चाहता था, पर उन्होंने मेरी बात सुनी ही नहीं। कोई बात नहीं बेटा, हम किसी दूसरे हकीम के पास चलते हैं। ठीक है माँ। घोड़े को याद रहते हैं सभी के घर, मगर अंटा गफील मर्जुन के भूल जाते हैं। तो आइए देखें आगे क्या हुआ। गीता, ओ गीता, कहाँ हो गीता? गीता, ओ गीता, बताओ गीता, क्या तकलीफ है? क्या बताऊं हकीम साहब, बहुत परेशान हूँ। अरे पहले अपने बच्चे को तो चुप कराओ। यही तो इसकी बीमारी है हकीम साहब, ये रोता ही रहता है। इसे चुप कराने का कोई इलाज बताइए। मैं इसका इलाज जानता हूँ। सच में? बताइए बताइए। ये लो झुनझुना, इसे बजाओ, तुम्हारा बच्चा चुप हो जाएगा।
अरे हकीम साहब, अब आपको देर नहीं हो रही, और भी बहुत जगह जाना है।
हाँ, अब मैं चलता हूँ। चल मेरे घोड़े, हम चले। अरे हकीम साहब सुनिए तो सही। हाय राम, मैं झुनझुने का क्या करूँ?
कुछ खोए खोए रहते हैं अच्छे हकीम है, बहुत से घोड़े हैं वही उनकी मुनीम है। थोड़े से तो पुराने हैं, लगते कदीम है, पर कहते हैं अंटा गफील अच्छे हकीम है, अच्छे हकीम है।
तो ये थे हमारे हकीम अंटा गफील। तो आइए वापस चलें गुड़िया रानी और बंटी के पास।
God save us from such a doctor. Walk slowly, otherwise you will get hurt. I am walking slowly. Bunty is jumping.
Hey, what's there? grandmother says that ghosts wander in the forest on moonlit night.
He was dead.
They on the branch of the tree. That's definitely a ghost sitting there.
What happened? Why are you guys so scared?
Someone is there on the branch of that tree.
Don't be afraid. I'll see now. Oh, that is a big bird. You guys just got scared. You were calling us cowards and you yourself got scared of a bird. Ha ha ha. Come on now. Now you guys stay ahead.
Okay. Do you know that whoever passes through the forest at night definitely meets a ghost?
What does he go to in the forest?
Both of you be quiet, Nana. No one will gonna talk about the ghost. Hey, look there. Something big is coming.
It's the ghost they come to catch us. Don't be afraid. I'll see now. Oh, this is Ramu Kaka. Thank God. Ramu Kaka, where are you coming from so late in the night?
The photo for the cars was over. I couldn't remember it during the day, so I have to take it at night.
Okay, Ramu Kaka, we are going. Take care.
Go carefully, children.
Okay, Ramu Kaka. I think we should narrate a story while walking together.
That's a good idea, but who will tell the story?
I know a story about rats like us.
So tell the story and keep going.
The story of seven friends who always lend a helping hand. The story of seven friends who always lend a helping hand. They found happiness in the Lord from the rolling ship. Fun and thrill, They heal and grow and shine like a rainbow. They heal and grow and shine like a rainbow. The seven friends, the sweetest friends, the sweetest friends. The seven friends, the sweetest friends, the sweetest Who lived in the slum, they worked in the day and gathered food to have some fun. They dreamt of a happy home made of hay and clay. But the great floods came over and filled up their play and found a standing guard for them to stay. And found a standing guard for them to stay. And found a standing guard for them to stay. I enjoyed eating food today. What do you say, Sam? Of course. Where does Deepa get the food from? I keep going to the Apsara hotel that is nearby and find a lot of food there. When I went there for the first time, the hotel watchman keeps scolding me and sending me away. but gradually he recognized me that he doesn't say anything. Look, Dulari has come. Look at these. These are plates and bowls. We will eat in them. All these are so beautiful. Where did you get these from? That one big house. When I cleaned its veranda, the wise mistress gave me these in return. She's very stingy. She never gives money for the work. She could have given you at least 20 rupees. We could have some tea and pakoras with that. Now what should we do with these plates and bowls? Let's do a role play and I will become the mother. No, I will become the mother. No, I will become the mother. Okay, you both don't fight. You both become mothers. Yay! Hooray! Then let us bring the stuff for our house. Let's make a house beautiful. Let's make a house beautiful. Look what Sunari has got. Is this a pot or a glass? I think it is a pot. Now what will do with this pot? We can use it for the decoration. Let us bring the utensils and use them for cooking food. Look, these are utensils. Where did you get these from? I have brought it from the garage where I wash cars. Look, this is my chair. Where did you get it from? I help the people who paint the walls. I asked for it from them only. Let's make a house beautiful. Bring everything playful. Let's make a house beautiful. Bring everything playful. See this is our TV. What are you guys doing? We are playing games and decorating our house. So take these flowers also. I could not sit there by the traffic signal. Oh wow, I will decorate the house with these flowers. What is this? It has started raining. Where to play now? I have a plan. Let's go in that old car which is parked over there. Then let's take all the stuff and go. We have a house. Yay! That night, those homeless children got a chance to sleep in their own house. Well, the story is over and the path too. Now, we just have to cross the mango orchard. Then you will see the courtyard of the temple and we will reach. Have you guys come here before? Yes, we have been coming here with Amma and Baba since childhood. So why didn't you come with Amma and Baba this time? They will come after completing their work. Then we will return home with them. Now let's race. Yay! A play is about to start. Artists are ready to touch the hearts. Lord Vishnu's incarnation brought victory to the religion. A drama about Vara Avatar, the third incarnation of Lord Vishnu, who killed Hiranyaksha, the brother of Hiranyakashipu. तो दर्शकों, हम तो अपनी जगह लेने जा रहे हैं, आप भी अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठ जाएं। पेश है नाटकीय प्रस्तुति वरा अफ्तार। बहुत समय पहले की बात है, एक हिरण्याक्ष नामक दानव ने धरती पर हाहाकार मचा रखी थी। मैं हिरण्याक्ष हूँ, मुझे ब्रह्मा से अजर और अमर होने का वरदान मिला है। मैं इस धरती का स्वामी हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं हरा सकता। पापी हिरण्याक्ष, तेरा अंत आ गया है। तू कौन है? कोई पशु है या मायावी देव है? मैं तुम्हारा काल हूँ हिरण्याक्ष, तुम्हारे कर्मों का दंड देने आया हूँ मैं। तू मुझे दंड देगा? जिसे कोई देवता नहीं हरा सके, उसके सामने तू क्या टिकेगा? अभिमान कभी नहीं टिकता है हिरण्याक्ष, आज तेरा खमंड भी चूर चूर होगा। ऐसा है क्या? तो आ कर मुझसे और मुझे हरा कर दिखा।
good over evil. But we don't have to always fight wars against others. For this, we have a huge war to fight against ourselves so that we can save our Mother Earth. Here, my friends, have a message for you to ponder upon.
There must be a better way to make things that we want, a way that will spoil the earth. So let's shift the course and rearrange and pave a path where hope can breathe. So let's shift the course and rearrange and pave a path where hope can breathe. सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, बदलो में जाएंगी खुशियाँ। मन के पायदानों को ऊपर बढ़ाने से खुद बदलती जाएगी दुनिया। सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, बदलो में जाएगी खुशियाँ। कोशिश थोड़ी सी करके, कोशिश हाँ कोशिश, कोशिश थोड़ी सी करके आज नया इतिहास करेंगे। मेहनत ज़्यादा करके हम, मेहनत हाँ मेहनत, मेहनत ज़्यादा करके हम धरती को पावर कर देंगे। सोलर पावर को अपना के कार्बन फुटप्रिंट कम कर देंगे। साइकिल यूज़र ज़्यादा करके पॉल्यूशन को कम कर देंगे। गाने गा के गाने लगाना है ज़्यादा आसान कहाँ, कहिए सबको बस थिंकिंग, बदले थिंकिंग तुमने कहा। कहिए सबको बस थिंकिंग, बदले थिंकिंग तुमने कहा। बदले थिंकिंग तुमने कहा, बदले थिंकिंग तुमने कहा। Open heart and define. It's not just a temperature rise. Relax and relax. Shake the box that wants from big to head, from bed to home. Let's fade away, let's learn to go. From big to bed, from bed to home. Let's fade away, let's learn to go. सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, बदलो में जाएगी खुशियाँ। मन के पायदानों को ऊपर बढ़ाने से खुद बदलती जाएगी दुनिया। सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, बदलो में जाएगी खुशियाँ।
Here we conclude the presentation of Grade 1 for the Annual Day Festival 2024-25. Life is all about moving forward and to progress with time. Now we go with the promise to come again next year. Now I would like to invite Principal Ma'am on stage to share her reflection and thoughts for today's event.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. In the morning, when I was there for that first presentation of the day, I was wondering whether we are doing the right thing by having an annual function. Today, my heart goes out. I've never done this before, but I must announce on stage that this has been the most fabulous presentation, annual function. Thank you for respecting our rules. Yes, you will always be very, very, very special. And you will understand why we make you do all this when you grow up and you find your way in the world. Sit. There's nothing in life without discipline. There's nothing in life without hope. And there's nothing called ghosts that we know today. Yes? So thank you very much for being an appreciative audience. I hope to see you year after year over here. In some form or the other, I'm going to keep a watch on you. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with your beautiful thoughts.
A big thanks to all the parents for continued support and for cheering us on. Your presence adds warmth and encouragement to our efforts.
Now I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.